it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So I got my ball winder, my new ball winder. It came on Saturday, which was really strange because we don't normally get mail service on Saturday. So I don't know how they shipped it, but hubby came in the house with it because it was outside. Anywho, so that was Saturday, yeah. So it came in this box, but it was, look, it's kind of dented in, beat up a little bit, but it was really wrapped good with plastic. And it was wrapped inside this bubble wrap. Excuse me a minute. And I'm going to show it to you in a minute. It's actually in the other room hooked onto my table because I've been using it. It comes with the instructions on how to use it. It's they don't really have a good picture. They don't have a picture at all, really. Well, they do, but anyway, this is what it comes. How this is the ball winder. They're just showing how, I guess, how to set it up. It comes in a couple of parts, so you know you just have to put together. It's very easy. But I'll show you. Let's go over to the ball winder right now. The ball winder I got from AliExpress. It comes with this pushed in like that, just for easier packaging. So you just push that out. This actually, I don't think I can undo this, can I? Anyway, this was not attached. You just slide in the slots and turn it. Oh, there we go. Comes unattached. And I need two hands. Hang on a second, please. All right. I got it hooked on there, and that was it. It was just in two pieces, I guess. This was separate from the rest, and there's a clamp there. I made sure I got one that's going to fit on a wide table here. This is what I have in my crochet corner. And so yeah, so who all has one like this? And how do you like yours? I showed my other one, and it only works when it feels like it. I showed it in another video. Okay, I'm going to hook the yarn on here and show you how it works. Okay, this is Karen Cotton Cake. And, oh, where's my yarn ball? Oh, there it is. I'm just going to stick it in there. And I'm going to link this yarn ball winder down below. If you'd like to check it out, see where I got it and everything, what I paid for it. It seems like every time I attach a AliExpress link below, the prices are different than what I paid. I guess sometimes they go on sale, or they was on sale when I bought it maybe, and they put up the price. I don't know. But anyway, it's always different. So, okay, so you put, what I did was I put it through the slots there. Actually, through this first, I think, and then the slot. Well, you know, I'm sure you can see how to do that. And then you start winding, and I like to put a little bit of tension on the yarn just by holding it with one hand and winding with the other. Otherwise, your ball is pretty loose, your cake. So I just like it a little tighter, so it doesn't, you know, it looks a little neater when it's tighter, I think. But anyway, you just wind it, go clockwise, and it works pretty good, right? It works fast, not really crazy noisy. Yeah, so I'm going to show you a few of the balls I made. Okay, let's take a look at the yarn cakes I made over the weekend. Over weekend, yes. Now I had 2 Caron cotton cakes that were rolled up in balls, like not just one ball, but several. So what I did was I separated the colors. They were both the same, and I can't remember what the color was. I'll put a picture somewhere. I'll look it up online and put a picture. Anyway, so yeah, there's purples, blues, gray, and then kind of a dirty white. And like I said, there was 2 balls, 2 cakes that I had put into balls. So I ended up separating all the colors, and I got actually 2 cakes from this one. That's the cake that ball winder makes. And I weighed these 65 grams. So I'm going to calculate what yardage this is approximately, and make labels for them like I did with these other ones. And I have videos on that, on how to do that. I'll try to link everything below, of course. And then there's a 75 gram of this kind of dirty white or off-white shade from the same Caron cake. And then there's this gray that was in the Caron cake, 90 grams. This one weighs. But they make nice cakes, what, don't you think? Did I say there was another purple one? I have another purple one, but I'm actually making something with it right now. And then there's this very pretty blue that was in that cake, 107 grams of the blue. So yeah, I think they make really nice cakes. And they work up fast on that ball winder. I am so happy with it. So happy. All right, I got more. Yeah, I've been busy. All right, so this one was all in little balls. I may have taken a picture of these in ball scrap form. If I did, I'll put it here. You'll see it. I've just been, oh my gosh, I can't remember what I did and what I didn't do. But this is some kind of sparkle yarn. Yes, it is some kind of sparkle yarn. Do you guys recognize this yarn? I can't remember. I did a tutorial for a scarf, I think, with this yarn. So I had it all separated into the different colors, and then so now they're all connected together back into one cake. All right, so there's that one. This one here, I ended up making three cakes, and this is one ball, or one cake of Caron skinny cakes. So I got 3. Look at that. Look at how nice that cake is on that end, that side. I am so impressed with that cake maker. I don't know, there's no brand name on it or anything. Like I said, I got it at AliExpress, so I'm not really sure who actually makes them. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah. So that's a Caron skinny cake. And then this one I'm pretty sure is Red Heart Ombre. Look at, isn't that beautiful? It's like a coral, different shades of coral. So beautiful. So are you guys still making your cakes? I know this isn't really a unique color cakes because I mean I didn't add any different colors to it. None of these I did actually. But instead of these being in like a whole bunch of little balls like this one was, now it's in a beautiful cake that will just sit on my shelf so beautifully. So you guys making your cakes? And if you baked a cake that was chocolate, let me know. And so these are the other ones I showed you in a previous video. Look how nice they sit on the shelf. So nice and neat. Not little balls rolling off and unwinding. Yeah. So, all right, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. And I will see you real soon. Bye.